I'm not afraid of possessing tonight. I'll show ya my now you should know I'll be red all the time.